Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a music bot on your Discord server. So let's get started. So here we are in our browser. So whatever browser you're using, it is fine. This process is the same. You want to go into that search bar and type top.gg right here. So this is where we are going to get our Discord bot. And from here, we can already see the bot that we need. It is green bot right here. So this is the bot that we need. But if you can see the green bot right here at the bottom of this page, then you can just simply search it right here and type green bot. And from here, you can see the green bot right here in the search results. So you want to invite this bot right here by clicking on the invite button right here. And then the next page would be an invitation page right here. And you want to select your page right here and add to server right there. And in my case, it will be the music bot tutorial. So I just created the server for this video. And now I want to continue, click on continue. And basically right here, you just want to tick all of this and you want to click on authorize. You don't need to mess with this that much. So from here, we want to verify by ticking this box right here. And after that, after we have verified, as you can see, it has now been successfully added to our server right here. So we're going to go into Discord now. And as you can see, we have the green bot right here. So the first thing that we are going to do before we proceed is go and type asterisk and then help. And from here, you will see a bunch of commands that you can do with Greenbot. This is a great way for you so that you can explore what you can do with Greenbot. So in case you have other plans on how you could use Greenbot, then you can explore the commands right here. And you could also go premium or you could view it online. You have the choices right there. But to play is basically very simple. You just need to go into the voice channel. And from here, I am now in voice channel and I'm currently muted. But you can also not mute your microphone. It just depends on you. So to play a track or a song, you just need to go and type right here, slash, and then play. And then you want to hit enter. And from here, you want to type in a query the title of the song. So, and the artist if applicable. So in my case, I'll just choose Rap God by Eminem right there. So after that, I want to hit enter. But I just stopped it for now because I don't want any copyright issues that will be given to this video, and also so that I can speak clearly. So that's just basically how you can play or use Greenbot and add it to your Discord server. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.